Good morning, ka-vloggers! Dito si Virgie sa tabi ng auntie niya. Magluluto siya ng gulay na Gigi with malunggay. Also, mayroon kaming fried Gigi at saka eggplant. Also, si Mi naman, mayroon na siyang na-mix na menu na dessert namin. Mayroon siyang what do you call that na banana cake with nuts. Also, so it is gonna be it later, okay? So you guys see it if we post it. So thank you very much. You know, go there now, Virgie, then, okay? Sure. So Virgie is cooking right now, so you can cook the dinengdeng, okay, guys? Alright. Banana cake niya, oh, ganda, sarap, malunggay pala, saka talong.
Talong.
That's it.
Adobo.
Ayun ang master cooking ng fried Gigi. Yan.